Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday, which normally means it's menu day. I get to have fun and put together next week's menu, which includes culinary expedition dishes, Sunday dinner, and the rest gets filled in. Yeah. All right, last night, the culinary expedition was in El Salvador. This simple but very yummy dish, Pollo Encebollado. I actually looked up the translation. It is chicken with onions. Yeah. Super simple. Just a few ingredients, and you've got a wonderful meal. I actually paired it with my rice pilaf, which was, I love my rice pilaf. That's why I make it all the time. And it's easy. So check it out. Both recipes will be posted. All right. I'm taking a little bit of a break. I'm not taking a day off, but I'm doing something easy and fun. Don't get me wrong. I love what I do. I love cooking. I love food. But doing what I'm doing tonight is just plain old fun. And tonight I'm doing a pork tenderloin with udon noodle stir fry. Just a few ingredients, a simple sauce. Yeah, no demo. So let's get to it. All right, I got some pork tenderloin going on here. I love working with pork tenderloin. One, it's tender. It's super easy to work with. It's got great flavor, and so on and so on and so on. Yellow onion, gray squash, carrots, ginger. Now ginger is in both the stir fry and the sauce. Garlic is in both the sauce and the actual stir fry. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, and I'm going to be using Szechuan chili pepper flakes for the sauce, and of course, the udon noodles that I have talked about in the past. Basically, these are microwavable, 90 seconds, break them up, and they're good to go. Honestly, I love these simple and quick meals because, like I said, it kind of gives me a day off, but I get a great meal at the end. Yeah. I'm hoping to do something about this in the next day or two. It's driving me crazy. Yeah, I'm chewing on my mustache. All right. So on this Wednesday, this wacky Wednesday, or is it a wonderful Wednesday? Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.